Being coached by coach is awesome. Everybody needs a coach in life.
So it's intense. I feel like my favorite part about it, honestly, is it makes you stop and think, but then act right away. So for me, my switch was flipped.
Being around the people that are at this event, being around Coach Micheal Burt and everything that he kind of like instilled in me in the past couple days, it was just an incredible experience.
All I'm gonna tell you is that you guys are missing out if you're not here. Within the first minutes of me walking in here, my money was already paid. And it's not only gonna be just the people and the environment, it's the things that you can notice, the small things that you can notice.
After I met him, I came back home and I had a different energy with me. And that energy allowed me to fuel my business and completely grow it.
He is the real deal. What you see online or anywhere else on social media, he's that same guy in person. And so I really found him to be authentic and relatable to me.
I came to flip the switch basically to activate the prey drive. I feel like I was operating at amateur and I'm leaving here today just like not even pro, like a whole nother level. So if you're watching this video, you already know it's something you need to do.